Hello, hi, and howdy. Welcome on in. I'm Rock Living GNS, and welcome back. Well, I guess for me, it's a welcome back anyway. I'm going to play some Satisfactory today, I think. Hope you're having a good day, good morning, good evening, whatever the case may be for you. I myself am actually doing pretty well. So I'm just going to hop right into it. Now, this isn't... I've already played a good 21 hours, I think, in this save so far. It might be closer to 30. I don't remember now. But if you look in the top right-hand corner, you can see I've got absolutely stupid numbers for my elevator parts. And that's because I set the game, when I started it, to 100 times for the space elevator parts. But to offset this, I actually went and I changed it that my what's it called? That all my resource nodes are positive. Or positive. Or pure. There we go. Get the head in the game. So I finally managed to do 5,000 of the smart plating for the first to get into phase 2. And for everything I'd set up, I had enough resources to unlock all of third phase or third stage of unlocking. So I've got everything unlocked for third stage. Right now, what I really need is coal power. I've got a very decent, very generous 1350 megawatts of biopower that I've had to do so much deforestation. It's not even funny. So I just refed the system, so I've got plenty of time to work with. Now, I'd started with this design here, and yeah, it turns out that the generators are just a smidge too high for this to work. I could go with the thinner platform, but I happen to like the thicker platforms. So now I get to take all of this out, and I'm going to first start with a water tower setup that I've already figured out. So I've got to go through the fun of deleting everything. Make sure I don't have enough inventory space for everything, I'm sure. But yep, deleting everything. Rid of all this hard work I did already. But my my coal generators, I will start off with a nice 24, which would be great for that. So, oh, here we go. Hold on. Hold on. They spawned on here as soon as I built this thing. But yeah, so fun of undoing all the work, which is, of course, as anybody who's played this game knows that that's part of the game. I don't mind this so much because once I have the coal power in place, I'm going to be deleting everything I'd already done anyway, because I have a couple unlocks already for alternate recipes that'll make everything a lot easier to work with. But for now, just deleting everything. You know what? Actually be faster. Do something here. Put a watchtower up. I'm betting I can actually do this a little bit quicker by having a higher vantage point. Oh yeah, definitely. one thing I've always liked about this game is just you try to make something. You try to make something without having necessarily a plan in mind. It gets created, but then you find out it doesn't work as intended. So it's like, Roy, fine, whatever. No, not that. Oh yes, this is definitely a lot easier. I still don't want this. Make sure I don't have any random floating parts in the air too. I'm loving some of the new pipe pieces. Well, the at least the three-way was so easy to set up what I had going on underneath the here. Now, what I don't miss is back in the day when we didn't have the zoop feature. Pardon me. And not being able to grab it, please. That's not grabbing it. But not being able to lay everything out easily, having to instead do everything piece by piece. Oh. Yeah, I was standing on that. Whoops. Oh well. So yeah, the couple different things I tried with what I had set up, everything was just too close and wasn't going to work. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo these pumps. Actually, I can leave these ones in place, I think. Pardon me. Oh, I missed something. Oh. Oh, geez, how many of those did I leave around? I'm gonna have a pain of time getting to that one. Alright. Well, let's dump some stuff off real quick. Free up some room, because I don't know what's in that container. What do we have? No, I didn't need to get rid of all of them, just a couple of them. There we go. Hopefully that's enough room. We'll find out. What you got? Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Can I take it all? No. All right, well. Oh, and if you're wondering why the sort of whatever they call it, the rhino hog isn't attacking, I've got the animals set to passive. The only thing about them being set to passive, though, is it turns out that they won't attack when they are being attacked. There we go. Now we got plenty to get rid of it. Which is fine, and I can change it at any time if I need a challenge, but really I've only been taking the animals out when I need to. Like if they're in the way of something I need to build. There we go. One less crate. And done. Awesome. All right. So now I need to put these pumps back into place. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this out. So let me put these pumps back into place first. I can put 2 more back, so I can have 6 on either side just because of how the pool is set up. Which is what I wanted for how I was going to do things anyway. I need to unlock more of some of the tech trees so I can get my blade runners. I miss my blade runners. Excellent. Okay. Now get as many as we can. I only really need 12. Having an extra one won't hurt anything. There's a spot where it frees up. Where's my spot? What the heck? Like? I didn't have this problem last time. I only had to move about 1. I didn't have to move the space of 2. Oh well. Looks like I'm only going to be able to get in 6. Which sucks, but that's fine. Oh, I can actually get a 7th then. Cool. I won't need it necessarily, but won't hurt to have it. Innocent treats lover. Pump it. Yes, definitely. Hello, hi, and howdy. Welcome on in. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm actually going to do, for the first time, I'm going to attempt water towers. Get all the water to go in one spot and into the fluid tanks, and by having it going into the fluid tanks, have the fluid tanks set high enough that they just feed down, and I don't have to worry about any of the mess I was worrying about before. So first thing we're going to do is go 1 higher. Or do I want to go 2 higher? Go 2 higher. I want to make sure I have plenty of room to actually do the thing. It's a real pain when... That's one thing about this game that you learn pretty quick. It's just give yourself a lot more room. Message. Oh, yeah. I just watched a video a little bit ago. There's a guy that goes by Doc something. And he had members of his community building different things. And the one guy is just... He's fabulous at making... Choppery! Hello, hi, and howdy. Welcome on in, good sir. And thank you so much for a sub. Yeah, who is this? I know it's been a while, my friend. But he was having... And the one guy he had building things... All they had to do was make a motor plant to build motors. Yeah, 43 months is definitely a lot. There it is. It sounded, but it didn't show up, I see. I'm wondering if I don't have that overlay set. Oh, I do not. There we go. Okay, it is now. I had it turned off when I was doing recording stuff for, you know, YouTube recording stuffs. But hello, my friend. Good to see you. You are doing well in all the things? Let's see something here a little bit. Okay. I've been all right. Life exists. But I'm trying to exist with it. So. I mean, but I'm in good health, so I'll take that. Always take that. See? This happened last time, too. These dang things just spawn on top of here. Oh, you're actually creating a mod now in Minecraft. That's awesome, dude. Oh, wait. Oh, right. So... I don't have a weapon on me at the moment because I haven't bothered to make a basher yet, but the zapper I had, the one that you get when you first start, I'd put into a one of the personal storage crates, like the one down there. And when I deleted the personal storage crate in order to get the items back from it, the zapper magically disappeared. Nowhere to be found. So, now what I decided on is I was going to set each of these to 90. Oh, good. And it should already be preset because they were copied. I'll just make sure. And then what I would... Now, mind you, I'm not making this very efficient. The generators to be efficient enough, but for how I'm doing this, it's just how I want to do it. Oh, you made them out of this, like... Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I've been pretty bad at Discord again. I've been on it, you know, at least talking to people, but not nearly as much as I should have been. So, now what's going to happen now is I'll have 4 pumps, or no, I'll be doing 3 pumps each line, and then I'll be taking it up. So, let me see. Trying to think of good placement here. I'm actually, you know what? I don't need this last pump, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Save the resources. Since I'll be working in sets of 3s anyway. Now, the only problem with using asphalt versus the regular ones is not having the lines to work with. But they cost so much less to build. Yeah, my gaming had been sporadic for a while, and when I saw the stuff with 1.2, so I'm back in here and even started a new file, but like a dummy, I set my elevator parts to 100 times, which if you look at the numbers up in the right hand corner, you can see I need to produce 100,000 smart plating for unlocking the next phase, as well as everything else. I started off having to do to unlock phase 2, I had to do 5,000 smart plating. So the numbers are pretty stupid, which means this is going to be a really crazy long playthrough. Because now, mind you, I didn't like go overboard for getting to phase 2, but the upload of the smart plating took like 10 hours. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what I was thinking, but I got to a point on this save that I really didn't feel like starting from ground zero again and reducing the numbers. So here I am. All right, so I've got these 3. Let me see if I do. That would be good. Do I want to? Because it's going to have to go up. So I kind of want it really. Oh, if I do about here should be good. And if I can line it up. Thing. Up right here, straight up. I should. Oh, I might have to. I'll be able to adjust that better up there. I can't tell from down here if those are lined up or not. Find out when I get up there. All right. Now I'll be able to see once I get up here how the alignment is. Okay, that's good. That's good. This one's good, but this one needs to move over. That one's good. All right. Cool. And right about here will do fine. So with that there, I want if I do what about here? Oh, I'm gonna need... No. If I actually put it right in front, I think that'll work the best. I should do this one first. Oh, that's not going to work. I didn't realize the placement was so off. Try this again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go out just a little bit, because this one is slightly off. Nope, that's not gonna work. Further out. Okay. Trial and error, trial and error. If I'd actually set these up on a line, I wouldn't have this issue. No, that one, please. There we go. That'll work. All right. All right, now that how? Okay, so that can be moved in one. All right. That should be dang near perfect placement. Oh, cool. It actually deleted the pipe, too. And no, that's... That feels worse. Well... I don't like the placement. It's really what it comes down to. I wish you could select and nudge instead of having to dismantle it in order to move it. All right. Can I... We'll line it up with the other ones, which I think are better. Now, let me see. Does this line up now? It looks like it, yes. Okay. Oh, apparently I... Oh, it won't go up unless I make it. Okay, so... Where does it get the right angle? Okay. If I stand on top of this and look directly up, in theory, it should place exactly where I want it to. Yeah, I can definitely tell it's been a little while since I've played. Ooh. I wonder something. Let's I want to make this look neat. What if okay, that needs to be out. What if, so how do I rotate it? I want to rotate it the other way. How do I rotate it the other way? No. 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 Isn't there a way I can rotate it? Vertically? Can I rotate this vertically? Doesn't look like I can. All right. Well, let's try this a different way then. Will this actually go into here? Sort of. Not really, apparently. Too close. Okay. Let me try this again now. I'm not sure why it's doing that. If I... Oh, that actually does... Okay, so... Pardon me. So can I put this on top of here? Oh, you know what I could do? Actually, hold on. I could just put it right here. Up on the ceiling. If I want it to come out, say, right here. That might be a little too much. I might need to move it one. No, that works. I don't mind. No, not noodle. Don't want noodle. Oh, is that why it's been so wonky? Because it's on the wrong mode? There we go. Try that again. Oh, but see, the problem is I need this lower. This would be great, but I'm trying to get it to where I only need one booster for each of the three. Yeah, I can tell I'm not well versed in this game sometimes, even though I've got way too many hours in it. This would work, but this is too high. Definitely too high. I would need a booster on each one of these lines. And that's what I don't want. Though I like the way this looks. I mean, at least there's that. It looks cool. So, what if... I raise it just a hair. Can I jump that? I can. What if I put it here? Let's see. Needs to be in line here. All right, move this out. Now, if I put one on the edge, he's going to need to be across the middle. Lined up. I can't tell from here if that's the right spot or not, so let me go check. I think it is. The nice part is once you figure out how to do one of them, you can figure out how to do the rest of them. Oh, that needs to be moved over one. I think it was there. Oh, those are in a different... I see. That should work, though. What's invalidating it? Not quite sure I'm seeing what's causing it to invalidate. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's... What the heck is this thing doing? Hmm. Oh, the joys of getting things to work. Not quite sure why it's bending out to go up. It shouldn't be doing that. That's too far out. That should be just right, in theory. Excellent. That's exactly what I was going for. All right, how many total did I make this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please do not delete that. And now, should have, no, here please. And then with this, I need to add Isn't there a way to change the physical direction of these things? There. That's what I need to do for all of them. Okay, so I can get rid of these then. It looks cool. All right, let's do the same thing for this one. That. Fine. But there we go. That's not where I was placing that at all. Work with me here. I can't move up or down. That's great. Why does my thing keep changing? Why does my build mode keep changing? Wrong button. Oh, I had it. I freaking had it. You know what? Fine. Oh, there it is. That's exactly what I was trying to do. Okay. Good. All right. Let's see. So... there we go. Gosh, and all these people that have, the same kind of hours I have in this game that make it look easy. Is that right? I think it is. No, it needs to be everyone. Right? Yep. Okay, and are we lined up here? Yes. Ah, dang it. And we're lined up here. Yes. All right, and for this, see if that's good. How about that? Getting it on the first try. This was going to be a little bit more fun because this would cross over it. So, but I'll burn that bridge when I get to it. Why is that? What are you doing? Thank you. Apparently direction matters when you're setting it up. That's cool. All right, now the downside of this setup is the fact that this is going to want to cross over, so I'm going to need to offset it. which is fine. It'll look a little weird, but it'll work. Pretty sure I can jump that. Yes, I can. So, helps if I change my menu. So because I just need it to be offset from there. But I think here should work fine. Yep. Try that. Excellent. Exactly what I was going for. See, like I said, once you get one done, the rest and figure out how to make it work, the rest become a lot easier. All right, that's 3 out of 4. One more. Oh, I need to put that right now. Try to make them somewhat close to the same spot. All right, one more. Okay. Come on. Oh, I was right there. Give it to me. Come on. That'll work. Ain't gotta be perfect. It just has to do what I need it to do. And with this, one back. One position back. Didn't get it on the first try that time, but that's okay. Nope. Like that you can kind of build into other things now. Used to be you couldn't clip stuff like that. There we go. Now we got it. What are you doing? I was in the way, wasn't I? And try to get it somewhat in the same spot. Oh, I can line up. There it is. Gimme. Cool. I think I've got them mostly all in the same spot. And now we go up a little more and put everything in the water tower. Start back here with these two. I need to get on it. And I need something that I don't have in order to make the water towers. I think I don't have on me, I should say. Yep. I get to travel all the way back to grab one thing. Do I have space? I do. And I can give you a tour of the land. Getting back to the base elevator, which is where all my production is at the moment, is actually kind of nice. Just a leisurely trip through the sky. Get to take in all the scenery, all the views. You know what? I think while I'm up here, I'll enjoy some coffee. Now this is how you commute to work. This is how we should all be able to commute to work. Just gliding in the air by parachute, enjoying some coffee on the way down, taking in the scenery below us. You know, I think life would be a lot better if we could commute to work this way. That'd be awesome. Oh, that's what they're protecting. I always wondered, I'd seen the killer plants on the rock there, and I couldn't see what they were protecting. It turns out there's a yellow slug over there. Let's see, we need to head over to this part of the base anyway, so I'll just head this direction. I wonder if I can land on here. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Just made it. How's that? And just glide on down here. There we go. Wow, this is almost full. Nice. Well, it was almost full. There we go. And now the truck, all that just so I can get the truck back. I don't think... Oh, I do. Cool. I'll just climb them and launch off of here, so at least reduce some of the time it takes. Turns out floating in the air is faster than running. Ew. Yeah, lizard doggo. A friend of mine asked me to pet one for her. I don't own any yet. I've been preoccupied getting to phase 2, and then once into phase 2, I've been preoccupied with getting this coal plant set up. And I do have another source of coal way over that way. That's where I'll be bringing in order to do steel production and stuff like that. So these 3 nodes up here are going to be intended for power. Once I unlock that I can do, once I unlock tier 3 belts and Mark II miners, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add to the setup that'll be here. Because I can just over double everything. So it'll give me plenty of power for at least a little while. To start off, I'm going to have something like 2400 or no, 1800 to start off with, which is fine for the point that I'm at. It'll just be so nice that it's continual. And I'll have the 1300 on backup. So I won't have to worry so much about running out of power or being in a spot where I need more power and can't have it, because I'll just reconnect the biogenerators for as long as I need it. All right. So what I was thinking for here, because of how these are placed, is that I would put, let's see, start with wood buffer. How do I want to, right on the inside line. Start with one here. I think. It'll work. It'll do what I want it to do. But from here, now everything can be lined up nice and evenly. So we'll do another one of these here. This one to be one in. Dude, you are absolutely in the way. Now, in theory, there should be enough boost to get these filled up. This is what I'll need to test. In fact, before I continue, let me do just that. All right, so get a couple of these set up. All right, I don't mind the clipping right now because I'm just testing. Yep, this is just for testing purposes to see if everything's doing what it needs to. Pardon me, sorry. It's pumping. Wonder if I need to move it up a little bit. Let's try that. Ah, there we go. And it started to do something. It was doing really good there for a second. Definitely worse. Can I land on it? Can. Now I can't get back up. Oh, I missed. I was supposed to jump. That did not work at all. Nope, nothing. All right. I'll get this. I'll get it. Oh, I didn't put it in place. Um, I hate trying to figure these things out. You know, I at one point I thought I had it, and it's really obvious that I don't. Because nothing's happening now. Okay. Again, we're at the... Once I get the first one placed right... Because it shows it should be pushing all the way through in... Oh, you know what? It might be... Okay. What about... So it's in line with the other one now. This is fun. All I want is my coal power. The belts would be easy to set everything up. So what if I make sure the connection's good? I wish there was some way to see where the head pressure of these stop. Why is it saying it's only got meter of head lift? That is absolutely not correct. Let me do something here. What if if I take this, can I see? No, not. I'm wondering if it's the pass-through that's causing the issue. Okay. I can see it gets to there, so if I put one now... No, not... I don't want that placement. Let's try that again. I want it to be just below the thing. There we go. Now I can actually see. Put that there now. Ah, shoot. I did not mean to come down here. Well, darn. Did I make it this time? Nope. A lot of running around to get this right. That's all right. It's part of the charm of the game. Things are longer and harder to start with and easier as you go along. Now, it's not doing anything. Why? Is it too high? Let me put it here. What do we get? Does it still claim that it's only like 1 foot of head or 1 meter of head lift again? There's nothing happening. Can I land on this? I did, but I messed up by moving again. All right, let's try something. Oh, this is not going anywhere like I thought it would. Okay, I'm seeing movement. Isn't there... Let me see something here real quick. Yeah. Mm. No. Okay. Because I know this is plenty high, can make this height, no problem. Which is evident by the fact that this is at least filling up here. But it's just a matter of getting these stupid things set right. I thought there was a red marker that actually showed you where the effectiveness actually happens at. All right, back up we go. Not what I meant to do. And it's got power, and I guess this means it's too high. Doing absolutely zero. Right? Put it right back where I started. We've got movement up top. Oh, you know one thing I did forget? I forgot all about something for audio. So it's at least trying to move something. Whether or not it's being effective. Mm. I need to move it down more. And now the headlift is too much. It's doing exactly what it needs to do. Okay, okay. The headlift is too much. All right. I mean, so need to adjust it ever so slightly. So that's where I had it. Need to move it to about there. It's still too much. All right. I think we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Thank you. Still too much. The heck, if I put it higher, then it complains about the headlift. But it was actually pushing the water. It's not pushing it fully now, but it was actually pushing the water. I don't know why this has to be such a pain. Because if I put it back where I had it, it dorks out and claims that it's not, that there's no head left. Unfortunately, there's no way to get back on top of it from down here. I'm not quite sure I'm understanding how this is working. This is the first time I've tried doing this kind of vertical lifts. Hey, it's actually filling up. Not the way it should be. And it's not pumping the full 270 through either. Why not? Ah. This is frustrating. And all this time I'm just wasting power. And now I'm not getting any movement here, so that means it's not pushing it through. Yeah, like I said, I thought there was a red marker that shows you where this was going to be effective at. I'd like to know what happened to it, and I'd like to have it back. But there's no movement here, which means this is not filling up. All right. Well, I guess I have no choice but to check out the wiki real quick. Let's see. Oh, it only has 10 meters of head lift? Well, no wonder. Hold on. Oh, no wonder. Okay. Okay. I was thinking that the water extractor had like 30 meters of head lift, and it's only got 10. No wonder all of this is so non-functional. I'll worry about that later. All right, cool. Let's get all of this out of here. Clean this up. So it's only got 10. So how I did it before, where I had it in front, is the way I kind of have to do it. Because I need this a lot lower, and I'm going to have to do 2 per line. In order to get it all the way up. Which... If I'd known that, then the original design I had... So from here, let me see... But no, if it's got 10, then it should have been working right where it was. So what if... Two... So that is only 2. All right, you know what? Let's do this. Let's measure this out. Come on. Thank you. Pretty sure I got that right. Yeah, it looks like it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So in theory, that should be about 21. If I remove this one, this is kind of a halving, so I go, so that will count this as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should be able to get the head lift to there. And then I'll put this out, so 5, 6, 7. Oh, no, give me. So it's 2, 3, 4. Have the thing set here, which should take up this space.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
What?
You got a follower!
Well, hello, hi, and howdy. Welcome on in. Mary 34. And thank you so much for that follow. I appreciate it. That startled me. I haven't heard that sound in a while. But welcome on in. Right now I'm just trying to get past the hurdle. So if I want, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I place it here, it should get that, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I can just do this to count it easily. That's only 13. All right, so that's 13. But I hope you're having a good day. Welcome on in. I'm trying something I've never tried before, which is setting up water towers so I don't have to worry about head lift. But setting that up is actually being a pain. That's 13. And if I... All right, so 14. Oh, wait, no, well, there we go. Try that again. I was wondering why that didn't seem right. All right, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so what I need to do, because that is just at the wrong level. It's about 1 meter too high. What the problem is. All right. So what I'll do then is I'll drop this by 2 meters, and I think I'll have it. I think I'll get it. I need to be able to see where I was setting. Okay, it's on, that's on these, yeah. Okay. All right, so if I do instead, oh, like why isn't it working? I have to hit the right button. No. Hit the right button. There we go. Can I jump 2 meters? I can. Ooh, good. And now if I put that lines up here. Yeah. Now if I put the fluid buffer here. No. Like the placement. Try it again. Now I think I can do something. Just casually take the elevator down. All right. I think I can get rid of these. All right. Now. Is this lined up properly? Yes. All right. Now I think I can actually put that back in too. And I want to put it that should be right. That is correct. Then if I put this here. All right, let's hook everything up and test it and see what happens. I think this will be a lot more correct than it was. And I believe this will actually work. Once I hook up, let me finish hooking up. I do enjoy the rain now. It just looks so nice. Especially when you're standing there and it starts going down your visor. Which you can sort of see. I got water streaks going down my visor, which is pretty awesome. And I need to move this. That should work. Nice. Okay, now let's test everything. Come on, let me catch it. There we go. Oh, no, no, no. Dang it. I need one of... Now, hopefully... It's right. It's correct. This should be filling up nice and easy now. Boy, that goes a lot faster when you actually know what the proper heights are. It is now working as intended. Look at that. Everything's moving. Oh, yeah. And it should end up going to 270, which is what I have it set at. Yes. What is this bean doing? Just walking through stuff like it doesn't even exist. Oh, that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. It's doing what I needed it to. Oh, happy day. Can put this other water tank in now. I can stop testing for a second. This is actually at the right height, so I just need to copy it here and get rid of these. So I know what height to have that at. To offset it by 1. Let's see, I need to the foundation here. Let me put it in, please. Had it, you had it. I need one more, please. All right. I can get rid of these. All right, cool. So now I have guidelines. Which is awesome. Oh, perfect. No, actually, we want that to go a little further, yes. If I can get this one set into place. Is this one? Yes, okay. And then for the high one, do the same thing. All right, so that one's good there. And then I just need one there. Yep. Hold on. No, I'm good. I'm good. No, I need that one. Yes. Oh, but I needed it for over here. Whoops. Man. All right. Well, need it to go here. And I need it to go. Oh, right. It needs to be one over. Oh, I can take all this out now. Huzzah! So now I can set this up. I tell you what, it makes a huge difference when you know what your limits are. That is awesome. But before I get started in that, I think I'm going to take a short break. Thank you for stopping in, for being here, and I will be back shortly. And while I'm gone, you can listen to the soft ambient noises. But thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I will be right back. All right, back to it. Huzzah. Now that we got placements, we can actually do things. Happy day. All right. I need to weigh up there, please. And oh, right, because I wanted to move it one over. That's right. Because of that piping. There it lines up to here. And move it back just a little bit. Should be just about right. No, that's... I was wondering why that looked wrong. I'm going to the right hole. Glad some of my friends aren't around. They would have taken that as a joking opportunity. And then... Okay, that's not actually the right placement. This needs to be moved. Here? Yeah. And now it's in invalid shape. Why? It's perfect. It does exactly what it needs to do. Fine. All right, there's two of them. All right, way up, please. I didn't do the right thing. The wrong one. No, not what I meant to hit. Jeez. My building isn't half bad, I promise. Just not currently half great either. And one more. Yep, definitely goes faster once you have an idea of what to do with it. And it's nice being fairly sure everything's going to work. Yep, I just took a break, but thank you. Fix It protein bar. Wonder what flavors they come in. There we go. Got them all set up. That part was easy. I mean, well, once I figured out numbers, it was easy. All right, where do I want to place these now? I had them going on the side for here. Yeah. Okay. That's what I want to do there too. Be everyone. Basically, I had it in the right spot the first. Ah, too soon. I have to place it before I can do the next step. Hippie redneck geek. How are you? Well, to be fair, I haven't been online for pretty much all year. So this is the first time I've been back. But hello, hi, and howdy, welcome on in. I hope things are treating you well. Good to see you. And I haven't been on Twitch too terribly much either, so I had some other things going on that I've been toying around and enjoying, that type of thing. But yeah. So, oh, very cool. That 3D printing is actually, it's come a long way. You know, from back in the day when you didn't even think that it was going to happen or could happen, and all of a sudden, you know, now we're building entire houses out of 3D printing. So, which is pretty cool. Now this time I'll actually place it. But that's cool. I hope that's been going well for you. Why does it not look horizontal to vertical? That's not doing at all what the others did. It's different. The others are horizontal to vertical. This one is not. Why are you being the heck? All right, well, fine. Oh, is the placement wrong? Oh, the placement's wrong. Needs to be one more over. Gotcha. 9 years, but seldom. Now I'm printing almost dead all day long. That's cool. Hey, that's kind of like a sort of like a ASMR relaxing with how long some of it takes. There we go. Yeah, we got it. Excellent. This is what I wanted. Now we have the water towers, and now the water I don't have to worry about, because I'll be bringing the pipes down. I'm going to make the pipes at ground level. This way I don't have to worry about any kind of weird system flushing or anything like that. So that's cool. Yeah, I mean, if you're doing something like that all the time, sure, that absolutely makes sense. Oh, this is looking nice, especially now that I know it's probably going to work. And let's get all these tanks filled up. I'm going to need 2 lines here, so I'll do it like this. Let's say, what is that? Okay, so each... I don't have that lined up right. Now to make these look kind of neat. Wait, hold on. Okay. I'm being really picky. That's all that's going on here. Oh, cool. And the ad break should be over. So welcome back. All this time just to make a generator plant. Ugh. I've spent way too much time on this trying to get it right. Only because, and it's just the water that always gets me. The actual, belting stuff is easy by comparison. And one more. All right, we'll just do the closest without going over. That's fine. That's fine. Nice. All right then. Let's rock and roll. Oops, wrong one. All right, now in theory, all of my tanks should be filling up. Why is this one doing nothing? Okay, it's green now. It just took it a moment. I should see filling and movement up here. I'm going to dump this tank since it was already full. I can work because I want to see everything working. Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Exactly what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see. There's something wrong with this one. What is wrong with that one? Was my placement not correct? All these on? This one is not on. Oh, what the hell? That would do it. No, no, stop. I'm attaching the cable to this water pump. There we go. Now we should see what I need to see. Oh. Why? Okay. And one more. Woo. Okay, so the hard part is done. Now to hook up 24 generators. So 4 groups of 6, because each one of these can support 6. I'll do it. All right, No, I know. Let's see. I need to figure out what I need to pick up to support this. The in 24. All right, cool. I need to go grab stuff real quick. All right, what don't I need right now? A lot. I don't need any of these. And that'll be fine. So I need my motors and cable. And I've got plenty of everything. Awesome. Let's rock and roll. Man, that water was frustrating. It really was. So now I want to... I think I know because of the... Of course I could make... No. I'm trying to think how I want to set this up. You know what? I'll move back one. That'll work. No. I wanted to actually... Try it again, please. There we go. That should be fine. All right. To allow me room to go. The idea is doing the groups of 6 gives me the capability of having space in between to travel the rest of the piping. Nope, needs to be back one. There we go. Perfect. Now, the suck part about the piping is I don't have yet available, and I think it's when I unlock, when I do something with steel. I think it's advanced steel production. I finally get the things, the tower, the stands for it. Speaking of, I need to add this. So I finally get these things, but for pipes. So these things, though, are going to come in very useful. The conveyor, stackable conveyor poles are going to come in real handy for how I'm doing this. So that is essentially 2 full. So I'm going to need some more rope. Because that means that the next ones need to go. No, I want them facing the opposite. No, I don't. I want them facing the same direction. Yeah, so let me get a couple more rows out. One reason why I like this little lake area, it's effective for, it's got a lot of space to collect water from. The fun part is going to be adding, so I'll keep this the way it is, but when I get my upgraded things that I can actually increase it, that's going to be fun. So I'll have to like build all over. Excellent. All right then, and then in here. All right, stop being so jerking around. There we go. Huzzah. Okay. Now to figure out how I want to do this water. First of all, what this height is this? 2. Okay. Except I just want, no, oh, I see what happened. I just want this. Now, is that going to be in the way? I don't think it will. Keep it at that height. And I add Oh, it won't let me set one here. Oh no. It's fine. Well, let me set one on top. No. That's going to be too close, so I actually want it on the other side of it. No, please go on top. See, I cannot jump 3 high, but I can jump 2 high. All right, so I hate trying to figure out where my buttons are. Yes, I think so. And if I do... Ooh, that looks wonky. What if I do the other way? It's kind of just as bad. Can I make that look better? It'll work. I think the rest will go in place the way it's supposed to. Oh, let's see. I do like this. Oh, let's do it the other way. Nope. There we go. Lined up there and lined up here. Now, if this works right, then I think I'll just platform all the way. Oh, that's actually higher. That's a problem. I have the right idea, but it's the wrong height. Dang it. Try again. What about, so if I do... like this. Maybe that one. How does that look? Let me see what these look like. Might do a curve. Ooh. Straight works. Okay. And it's the right height now. All right, cool. I think I got this now. Let's go ahead and just... I didn't turn you. Back. Work with me here. Thank you. Oh, wrong. Try it again. All right, moment of truth. See what happens. I know it'll take it a little bit. We should see... Oh, right now it's filling from the tank? Is that what's going on? Okay. These should pick up. Everything should kick back online. Right, and then every single one of these should be getting water. And done. Nice. It's all coming together. Slowly but surely. Now for this to get it over here. I want to see what the pipe's going to look like. Hopefully. No, let's go for straight. Yeah, that'll be fine. Cool. Okay, this actually works. How far out did I go with this one? Be like 2? So 1. All right. Boy, this time it's a lot easier. These go on top. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Nah. Excellent. It'll be so nice to have these online. It goes down. I raised it up too much, didn't I? Yep. Try again. Uh, 1, 2. As I've got it too close. Needs to be one back. Oh well. It's all right. I know what to do. Easy. Now we'll try this again. Oh, you know what? That's a good idea. I think I'll have a sip of coffee. Good old fix it. Oh. Like, why is mine still going? I wasn't counting. No, not that, please. Now, there we go. That's what we wanted. All right, and I should see the exact same result I saw before once I hook this up. It should start draining out the water. And this should pick up once the tank gets low enough. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start working on the belting. Or at least the first set, because I think the first set will give me more than what I need for... I know I'm not using a lot of power right now anyway. What do I got? 733... 450. How much am I using? Yeah, I'm hardly using anything. But it'll definitely cover. Whoa, how about we don't? It'll definitely cover the needs just by having the first setup, the first one's going. That I can turn off the biofuel. This should be showing, yep. And these should be filling up. Wait for the autosave. Excellent. Now, fun part. Belting. I think I'll send that. What I'll do is I'll split this. Okay, yeah. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this one feed, this one be split between the two sets, then this one feed on the other side. I think that's how I'll do it. Yeah, 90 per row. So, I got to figure out how I want to do this. Uh-oh. Okay, no, that's right. Hmm. Think. 60. I think I'll bring the split up first. Have the split feed the back two. No. Have the split feed the back four, and then the other miner can feed all the rest. Yes, that's exactly how I'll do it. So I am going to need let's put this away. What do I have on me? I've got that. I am going to need Mark 5 stuff or Mark 2. So give me these. Don't need any more copper tubing right now. These should be good on all that. So first things first. This needs to come out into a splitter. All right, and then from there I can 60 it. So since I kind of want to keep this neat, so let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, that's good for those. And these ones, I can actually move out. Yes. Uh, 300. It should cover what I'm using right now. So we'll keep that neat. We'll have this come all the way to the edge here. Ah! Right again. One thing I look forward to is the fact that my as the game progresses, my builds do tend to become a little bit better. The first one was always sloppy. You know what? Oh, no, that should be Mark 1 belt. All of that should be Mark 1. Did I Mark 2 these as well, or did I Mark 1 them? Okay, these are all... All right, good, good, good. All right. Oh my gosh, I must have one of these sets online. Finally. All right. So if I do like... Ooh. Wrong button. Nope. It was right the first time. I could do like that. And then if I... Okay, so it's a little bit off. Not a fan, not a fan. Is there... Think that's right? So if I do... yes, I think that's right. It is. I go back up here real quick. Remove these. Oh yeah. All I have to do is hook up power to the miner. Get the generators going. Where is it's on the other side? Yes. So I'll do that in just a second. Right now, I need to set up wiring up top. Can you reach all the way back here? Please tell me you can. That would be primo. And all right, so this goes up with this line. Oh yeah, I can feel it. It's so close. How much power are we using? Only 41. It'll go up to maybe 150, 200 tops. So I can actually start this. Oh, wait. No, I don't want it fed like this. I can have it fed like this though. Normally I would do not manifold. So in order for this to work, I need to turn all these off. So everything can be... oh, same one. Like, why is that one already off? Again, same one. It helps if I actually look at the generator. All right, those are off. By having those off, I can get the belts completely full and then turn them on. So manifolds work great, but you have to do it one of two ways. You either wait for the entire system to actually fill up and then turn it on, or you leave everything turned on and it takes forever for everything to finally balance out. And here we go. This took a lot longer than it should have. But again, only because I was trying something with the water I've never done before. But now that I know numbers, it'll make that part a lot easier. Taking the scenery, taking the scenery. Yeah. Now, what's actually going to be better is if I, after I do this, if I wait a moment and grab the coal. So, do I have a couple portable miners. Well, let me put them down on here. Yes and no. Well, wrong button. Luckily, this part doesn't take long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up all 4 generators. That way, them being already full, and with the amount coming from the thing, that's kind of the better way to get a manifold to work instead of waiting for it to work. Should be done soon. Oh, it is. Excellent. And we'll do another. And you should be right at 100. Once it finishes. Oh, you know what? I'll just do this the easy way. $80 per minute. Oh, I didn't realize that these only went 80 per minute. I always thought they did same as regular miners. That's cool though. So my belts will be completely filled up, my generators will be filled up. Everything will work smashingly. Do. All right. Let's get out of here. All right, so once this stops, or wait, are they filling? Oh, they're filling up with coal, aren't they? I thought it wasn't going to fill up because they were turned off. Oh, oops. Oh, wait, this is, oh, Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah, they're filling up. Nice. All right. Well, get the system backed up. There we go. And now we'll just wait for the system to fill up. Normally, I've always load balanced these generators. Why it slipped my mind to load balance this time and I went straight for manifold, I can't even tell you. A little more work, but it works effectively the same once you have everything set up. Make sure that everything's stopping over here. Everything's backed up. All right. Let's rock and roll. We'll just make sure that the water is doing exactly what it needs to do. Oh, I'm see if I look at the right one. So it should kick on at some point once the tank, this water tank is up. All right. And at some point, the flow rate should steady out. Now I won't be able to completely test it until woo. I'm confident in that what I've got set up is working and working properly. I will say, yeah, the water should be raising and not holding steady. So once I have all 6 online, the water should just hold steady. So this number, everything will balance out once I have everything up and running. And since I'm not getting to the limit, because I think all my other production lines are pretty much turned off at the moment, I am going to disconnect my biofuel, my biogenerators, until this time comes that I can actually have a switch. that I can flip on and off when I need to. Oh, happy day. No more running around and deforesting. I wonder how bad I actually got it to. So we'll head over to the biofuel plant, which has done me well. I very early on set up well than a more than enough power. I'll probably do some more deforestation over time, but it'll be nice having the extra backup. For now. In time, I won't need it. I don't know if I can land on the, kind of hope, I think I can. I should be able to land right on the platform. Yes, yes I can. All right. I should be able to take this one off. And I should be able to take this one off. I think those are the only two. Oh wait, no. All right, I think that's the only connections I have. Oh, I have... Oh, that was a temporary thing. Okay, cool. That's fine. Don't need that one. So I think this is all isolated now. Capacity 1315, nothing being sent out. And now I believe, though, I have other connections I need to remake. Such as this one. Okay, this one actually needs to be reconnected down here. $300 capacity. And now everything should be either in standby or have power available. That feeds everything down there. This line feeds everything elsewhere. And there we have it. I have functional coal power. And it's holding nice and look how nice and steady that line is. Oh. I don't have to worry about biofuel anymore. Actually, before I leave, how bad was my system at? Of course, in time, I'll go through and redo all these lines. Right now, it was all about functionality. Oh, good. I was backed up. Oh, heck yeah. I had a lot of standby power going. Nice. And my timing was good, too. All right, let's head back. Take one last long truck. Oh, finally being on infinite power is such a relief. The water should be a little bit more balanced out, I think. I don't know. It might be weird with the having... I've never really used the buffers before. I imagine it might be a little bit weird. This is a really scenic run, at least. Like I'm chasing a shadow as the sun sets. Or one of them does. No, come back. Don't leave me, Shadow. So while I'm disappointed that this took a lot more hours than it should have, I'm happy to see that I'm finally in the spot where I need to be. I love what they did with the stuff here. There was one planet. I don't know if it was this one or not, but if you photo zoomed in on it, you could see one of those. What's the camera mode? I don't remember what camera mode is. I'll have to look, but you see off in the distance right around here, there's a crash site. Well, on one of the planets, if you zoomed into the planet, you could see what looked like a crash site or some kind of fixed equipment on it. I'm hoping they didn't take that out. I haven't looked since they since 1.0 dropped. So many hours ahead of me in this. It's just, I think it took me like 25 hours to get to this point. Finally have steady power. They spawn so randomly. Okay, yeah, I imagine this is going to be weird for balancing, but the water holds steady, which should be the case when I get the other two online, and that's when I'll really be able to see everything going. Yeah. 4 to start, 20 more to go. But I like the way that this is looking. Heck yeah. Finally got the coal power going, so now I don't have to worry about the biofuel anymore. I can use it for other things. But always have the backup power if I need it. This is awesome. I like this. And it'll be even more fun when the day comes that I can actually upgrade the miners and the belts. That'll be a lot of fun. Nice. Well, I've accomplished what I wanted to accomplish, which was to get coal power started. I think I'll work the rest of this offline because it's just going to be a lot of the same of what I was doing to get here. So with that, I want to thank you for being here. I hope you have a good morning, good day, good evening, whatever the case may be for you. I hope it's a good one. And I hope to see you again soon. Until then, take care and bye-bye.